subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The famous camera brand Leica has officially launched its first camera-centric phone in Japan called Leitz Phone 1. Talking about the specifications, the Leitz Phone 1 features a tall 6.6-inch UXGA OLED curved display with a hole punch at the top center that carries a 12.6 megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone supports a massive 1-inch sensor under the circular module at the top center that houses a 20 megapixel camera with f1.9 aperture and 19mm equivalent focal length. And there is also a monochrome sensor at the back for taking black and white pictures. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos. Under the hood, the Leitz Phone 1 comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, paired with Adreno 660 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery and it runs on Android 11 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an 3D ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and the handset is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162 by 74 by 9.5 millimeters and it weighs around 212 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Leitz Phone 1 has been priced in Japan at 187,920 Japanese yen. And the phone is now up for pre-orders in the country in single Leica silver color option. And it is set to go on sale sometime in July this year. So what do you guys think of this Leica Leitz Phone 1 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.